Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2018 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one's black. Under the hood's a 3.5 V6 pushing out 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For the wheel setups, we have 19-inch 5-spoke wheels. Tires are in good condition. Brushed aluminum running boards. A beige espresso brown leather interior. Panorama roof. Coming around back, we've got our GLE 350 4MATIC badging, trailer hitch, power liftgate, clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover, in back we have heated rear seats. Coming up front here, this one does come with Premium 1 package, which comes with blind spot assist, keyless entry and keyless go, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. We also have a nice burl walnut wood trim. Steering wheel controls. This one does come with smartphone integration with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Pedal shifters for extra performance. Let's go ahead and start this up. Navigation. This one also does come with parking assist, which gives you a surround view backup camera. Sensors in the front and rear. Our radio, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders, our command center for our media center, and it only has 23,309 miles on it. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE, check out feldmanimports.com.